in this video, we're going to talk about something that many traders struggle with. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to talk about trading biases. Why it's bad to have a trading bias, at least in my books. Why it's bad to approach the markets with a certain bias, with a solid bias. By the way, if you are new, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. Like this video, that's the only thing that I ever ask you to do. I do not ask you to buy anything from me. I do not sell you things. Just like the video, and you would have made my day more than you can realize. If you have questions, if you have thoughts, leave them in the comment section below. I would like to hear what you think, and I also love to make videos answering your questions, answering the things that you are struggling with. That's the purpose of this channel, to help one another. So why I stopped approaching the markets with biases? Back in the day, when I was a beginning trader and I thought I was smarter than everyone else, I thought I was smarter than most people. Obviously, I was smart in school, but trust me, the market is a different kind of school. So I used to think when I started that I'm the best. I'll be the best trader the world has ever seen. I'll be making money all over, and it did not exactly pan out that way. Besides the other things, one of the things that I discovered was holding me back, was affecting my trading, was entering the markets with a bias. Because I probably had read by some analyst somewhere that so and so pair was going to buy, so and so pair was going to sell. There's no harm in having that knowledge. Trust me, it's good to have that knowledge. But when you approach the markets, don't have solid 100% biases. The market is so fluid and dynamic at times that you might get in confidently, 100% confident that the market is going to buy, because everyone from CNBC to whatever forum to whatever business show is saying that this and this is going to happen in the market, and you go into the market with that knowledge, and the market does something opposite. So what I learned to do was to enter the market with zero biases. I tell people that I no longer try to forecast the markets. What I do is, when I go into the market, basically I am just going there with an open mind, two biases. I actually have two biases. The market is going to buy, the market is going to sell. What I'm going to just do is to react to whatever the market shows me it's about to do. When you enter into the market with a bias that the market is going to buy, you have a bias that the market is going to buy. Trust me, when this happens, when this drop happened, that's where you are still buying. That's where you are still buying when the market is dropping, because your bias is that the market is going to buy. That's what everyone else has told you, that the market is going to buy. So when you start seeing this, you start buying. You are buying against what? The trend. Up until around this point, depending on the amount in your account, you are probably blown. The same deal. If everyone tells you that the market is going to sell, and you enter with that mindset in the market, trying to do this, you enter in the market with that solid 100% bias that the market is going to sell, you find that that's where you sell there, and the market starts going against you, and you start placing more sales. because your bias is that the market at some point must sell. Before you know it, you have blown your account. So what I do is I enter the market with two biases nowadays, or at least what has worked for me for more than a year. I no longer have biases. I'm not trying to predict the markets. People out there who can predict markets or say they can predict markets, good for them. Good for them. For me, I'm not trying to predict the markets. When I enter the market, I know it's going to buy and it's going to sell. So the moment I see this happening, then I know we are selling. The moment I can see this happening, I know we are buying. I just react to what the market is doing. So I don't know if this is going to help somebody. Don't try to predict the market. Rather, if it's not working for you, if you're predicting the market and the market is doing what you predict, good for you. I'm happy for you. Genuinely, I'm happy for you. But if you've tried to predict the markets and it's not working for you, you are losing trades, you are blowing accounts and stuff like that, rather, how about you go into the market without a bias? Without a bias. Uh, Wait for the market to show you its hand, whether it's going to drop or whether it's going to go up. Uh, if we come into this area, according to how I trade, I'm expecting the market to show me whether it's going to go up or whether it's going to drop. I don't tell the market what to do. In this zone, this is how I trade. In this zone, I'm not trying to force the market to sell. I'm not trying to force the market to buy. I'm just looking for reactions. What is the market doing around this zone? I wait for a decision from the big players. They show me their hand. I jump in. I don't come to this zone and say the market is going to buy, so start buying. No, I don't do that. I don't come to this zone and say the market is going to sell, so everyone starts selling. I don't do that. So that has worked for me, and I think it probably will also work for you if you are still struggling with your trading. Drop biases. Drop biases. Go into the market expecting the market to buy and expecting the market to sell. The market is so dynamic that sometimes you might be confident that it's going to buy and then it surprises you and it sells hard. And so sorry for you if you maintain the bias that it's going to buy and it starts selling. Then you start placing more buys, hoping that at some point it's going to turn around in your favor. You are going to blow your account. So I hope this little talk helps somebody. If you are still struggling, please look at things like that. Don't go into the market with biases. Just react to what the market is doing. Expect buys, expect sells. Just react to what the market is telling you. That's it. Okay, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos when we post them. Like this video, that's the only thing that you can do to help me continue doing this. And if you're looking to download stuff, forex books, indicators and stuff like that, there are links in the description box below. Visit those links and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. Otherwise, guys, I hope you make lots of money in your trading. Until next time, bye.